Hello everyone and welcome to another Traders Lessons video. Today, as usual, we are trying to cover one of the most hot, most popular topics on the market, one of the most, let's say, interesting news and movements that we see. We're monitoring everything that we can find. We are trying to see opportunities. We're trying to see ways of approaching the market every single day. And that is exactly why after we see something interesting on the market, after we have more deeper details onto it and expectations, we are trying to get in touch with our clients, if I may say, with our friends in Traders Lessons, on our YouTube channel and on our website, and of course with our courses, so they can have better understanding of what's happening around them in the investment world and what can be hot on the market, what can be interesting as events, economic events, or world news, so they can try to invest and make some profit out of it. Now, as I said, today we are going to focus in our video on something that is happening right now at present, that has been happening for like a month already. I'm pretty sure you can see it on the charts already. What has been happening for like a month. This is ending of December, beginning of January. This is right now, open price at that point, current price right now. And the topic and the product that we're going to discuss will be NVIDIA shares. I know many of you right now are thinking of investing online onto something, and presently everything connected to the AI and to the crypto is going crazy. That's exactly why we decided to turn our look into the stocks that are strictly connected to the AI, strictly connected to the latest development in all of the sectors of the technological industry. So this is exactly why we have noticed some good and huge actually movement on the price of NVIDIA shares. And today I am trying to give you details and information exactly why things are happening like that presently. What does that mean as an investor, as a trader, as a speculator, whatever you're trying to do right now as in terms of investing in the financial world, how this movement can benefit you in particular, and can and actually how it already benefited a lot of the people all over the world that are looking into investing and particularly stock trading. Now, NVIDIA is a huge company, I'm pretty sure you know. It's a company that has been around for quite a while, and I'm pretty sure many of you already thought of investing into it, or you already did before, but you have never seen a movement like that. And now I will tell you what is happening. I will tell you from at least what we got as information, like what caused this huge rush, huge jump into the price for the past a month and a half. Now, we have received data that 4 Chinese electric vehicle brands announced that they will use NVIDIA drive tech for their automated driving systems, meaning that China, one of the biggest producers of everything, basically, is planning to use NVIDIA technology into 4 of their vehicle brands, electric vehicle brands. I know, I told you already, AI and electric vehicles, basically, they are right now something hot. Green energy, electric vehicles, AI, this is what is being interesting, what has been interesting for the investors lately. And the first news came a few weeks ago with these 4 Chinese companies trying to involve NVIDIA into their business and buying technology from them. After that, recently, Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks in USA, raised their price target for NVIDIA from $625 per share to $800 per share. Goldman Sachs and basically serious institutions like that, they do not usually do such things unless they do have some crazy or let's say high expectations for a product. So they have increased their target price to $800 per share, which is, as you can see, it hasn't been reached yet. Presently, at the time we're taking this video, the price is 693 at the moment. So there is still room if we think that this Goldman Sachs prediction will actually materialize. But these two huge news, like one is for upcoming contracts for NVIDIA with the Chinese vehicle market, and the other one is prediction from Goldman Sachs that the price could reach $800 per share. These two things boosted the price upwards. News like this can seriously influence all the already overhyped prices of shares that are connected to technology. So, into a text here, I want to make a simple calculation so everybody can know what does that mean to a trader, to a speculator. And it is very simple. Now, the opening price over here that we see is around $472 per share in the beginning of the year. Now, presently, the price is, as we see, 693. So, we go like this. $693 currently minus starting price of 472 equals $221 upwards movement per share. For every share that someone have bought for NVIDIA, the price moved with $221. For every share, this could have been profit already of $221. For 1,000 shares, let's say, 1,000 shares, this goes to $221,000 of profit. And 1,000 shares at the price of 472 was something like $472,000. So basically, for 1 month, half of the money that you're involving, again, here we're talking without any buying power from a trading company, without any leverage, pure market value. Now, of course, if you're working with a company with buying power, the required amount for the investment could have been different. But nevertheless, the 1,000 shares is the amount of 221,000 at the present moment as we speak. Let me try to move this here so everybody can see it. The whole calculation and everything. There it is. So this is it. It's very clear, I guess. And again, as our friends, as people that want to invest into the world, we at Traders Lessons, we are trying to give lessons, we are trying to give examples and guidance of situations like this. Another tip that I can give you all, everyone that is watching this video now, listening to my voice, should pay attention into one thing. On the 21st of February, there will be an earning report, quarterly earning report announcement from NVIDIA. Usually, on earning reports, when the companies report how much they have earned for the past quarter, like are they on bigger profit or less, depending on the results, this is when usually huge price movements can be seen, can happen. So we've seen already 2 boosts on the price of NVIDIA already due to the Chinese market and due to the Goldman Sachs prediction. And we have another boost coming or another drop maybe, depending on the result of the earning report. But the volatility will be there. So not only that I'm here today for all of our friends to cover what happened so far with a little bit deeper details of why it happened like that, but I'm here also to tell you that you do have time, if you're interested into investing into something like that, to actually do something about it. In Traders Lessons, we are trying to give our expertise, our guidance, and our knowledge to people so they can start benefiting from their investments. Of course, do not forget that in the trading market, there is always risk. As I said, we do not know 100% what will be the outcome of this earning report. Will it be positive or negative? But for sure, there will be volatility happening afterwards because of this big hype. People are overhyped already. People are overexcited already on all the AI shares. Everything that is connected to technology right now is going crazy. So this hype, this emotion will be transferred into the earning report of NVIDIA and other companies like that for sure. How it will reflect the price, we'll be able to see only after the results are coming. And this is when actually you can try to enter into it. So I hope we have been of help again. I hope step by step, every day, we are trying to improve our work and our help to the traders all over the world. I hope we have managed to reach you all. And I really want to tell you one thing. Subscribe for our channel. Click that subscribe button. Get notifications. Get more videos like this. Learn more about the market. Make knowledgeable decisions for yourself. And be our friend on YouTube or on our website or on Facebook. Really, it doesn't matter how you register with us, what you want from us. We are here to help. So thank you all for being part of this video, for participating here with us. And I hope to see you all in our next video. Bye-bye.